Firstly, checks should be carried out to make sure that the base rail is adequately supported, level along its full length, and that the flanges of all rails are within the specified vertical datum tolerance. If satisfactory, carry out preparation work on sill trims and internal corner flashing and ensure these are sealed as specified. Install the vertical liner in tiers over part or all of the elevation, ensuring alignment and cover is maintained. Seal all laps as specified. When installing the HW Instalock system, the bar can be joined in two ways. Where the bar finish and joins at a secondary support position, use an extended butt bracket to join the two bars. Where the bar finishes and joins between the secondary support positions, use a splice plate to joint the two bar sections. The spacer brackets are positioned at the secondary rail positions and the vertical bar is run over these and secure using fasteners either side of the rail. Ensure that the spacing and fastener frequency is to the specification. Use stick pins between the vertical rails to support the insulation quilt. The insulation and external sheet should be laid in sequence from the base of the elevation to the eaves in rows the full length of the elevation. This sequence will ensure the correct lapping arrangement and maintain profile alignment. The end laps of the external sheet should be sealed and fasteners positioned as specified. The contractor should ensure that any swarf that has fallen onto the ledges of the profile ribs are removed on final inspection. Trim flashings can then be secured to finish your Trisobuild HW elevation.